50 days to transform your mindset. I'm Gene Zanetti, the founder and creator of Z-Winning Mindset, the #1 sports-specific mindset training system anywhere in the world. We work with athletes from youth right through the Olympic team and UFC fighters. We basically take some of the top athletes, the toughest athletes in the world, and we make them even tougher. We all know that sports are about 90% mental, yet we train 90% physical. Now we're bringing together all of our best lessons in a simple, easy, do-it-yourself mindset program that you could do from the comfort of your own home. We have 8 eWorkbooks that we're going to send you. We'll send those right over to you. You'll get them immediately. And we got 3 bonus ebooks that we'll send over to you. Very simple. I printed mine out right here. Easy to follow. All right there, simple, concrete mindset exercises that are going to transform the way you think. Remember, you can't just think about your mind. You have to do the exercises. Just like your strength training, just like your conditioning, just like your skills and drills in your sport, you have to train your mind. We're going to teach you how to do that in that simple, do-it-yourself mindset training program. So we have 8 lessons and we have 3 bonus lessons. And at the end of this, you're going to be a totally different athlete mentally. It's going to help you in school and the rest of your life. So our different units, self-knowledge. Bruce Lee said all knowledge begins with self-knowledge. You have to know yourself. You're going to go through the mindset checklist. You're going to find out where you're strong, where you're weak, just like everyone else. You're going to learn how to develop the predator mindset. We're going to have a parent and coach's mindset guide you're able to do to build those relationships so they really take you to the next level. We're going to learn how to build greater passion for the sport. You're going to become very clear with the technique you're using by writing it down on paper and having a plan. An example lesson that we'll take you through is learning and developing a reset button. So everyone's going to hit adversity in competition. But what do you tell yourself in that moment? Most athletes know what they're doing technically in different situations, but they don't have any kind of formal plan for what they're telling themselves when adversity hits. So we have it all broken down there for you. It's very simple. What do you tell yourself when the referee makes a bad call? When your opponent takes a cheap shot? After you make a mistake? And on. We have about a dozen situations like that. Very simple, very down to earth, but you're putting the pen to paper and you're actually training your mind rather than just listening to some motivational speech or sitting in a counseling office. You're actually training that mindset. After self-knowledge, you're going to move on to goal setting. You're going to develop an action plan, long-term, short-term goals for in and out of sports. You're going to make your goals public. You're going to make sure you write it down. Then you move on to mental toughness. You're going to do the 30-day courage log. You're going to learn how to dig down deep when you're really tired. We have all those exercises built out for you. Motivation. You're going to develop your personal motivation buttons and learn how to flip the switch when you're feeling tired, bored, and lazy. Then we have staying in the present moment. Too many athletes are thinking too much about the future or about the past. We're going to teach you strategies to stay right in the present moment. That's how you get in the zone. That ideal peak performance state, that flow, we're going to teach you how to facilitate that for yourself. Relaxing under pressure. We're going to teach you how to take those deep breaths, how to use that imagery and redefine those feelings of fear and nerves. We're going to teach you how to learn how to make those fear and nerves work for you, not against you, just like the best athletes know how to do. Confidence. We're going to work on those 4 key confidence building exercises, and there's more of that too. Building confidence and competence at the same time, knowing our past successes, visualizing for success, body language, and much more. Then we move on to clarity, knowing exactly what technical moves and technical skills you're going to use at the right time in competition. Then we move on to our bonus series, which is aggressiveness. We're going to teach you how to develop a competitive alter ego so you know how to flip the switch and go into beast mode when you need to. Then our other bonus series is recovering from an injury. Whenever there's adversity, you need to know how you're going to recover from that so you could make it the best thing that ever happened to you, whether it's an injury or a sickness or some kind of life adversity. We got that laid out for you. And after that, it's sleep. Learning how to sleep, because the night before big competitions, many athletes are calling us up saying they can't fall asleep. They're stressing. They're thinking about the next day. We're going to teach you how to relax, how to be calm, and how to be an all-around, well-rounded athlete. Whether you're a beginner athlete, whether you're an athlete who's struggling with some clear mental hurdles, or maybe you're the best athlete who wants to get the mental edge on your competition and stay ahead of everyone else, this do-it-yourself program is for you. 50 days to transform your mind and take your game to the next level, whether it's sports, school, or life. Mindset. makes the difference. Make sure you sign up for this do-it-yourself program today.